Well, there's always room for firsts. This is kind of like my first hairdryer video. A hairdryer video. Anyway, this is being a vintage Rex-Ray electric hairdryer. Obviously, dime store, drugstore brand, or the defunct Rexall drugstores. Paid $10 for this at a flea market just outside of town. But yet, they didn't call it a flea market. It was called the Peddler's Mall, and it was inside an old Walmart store. So I don't know, but hey, it was a nice place. Lots of stuff, most of which I can't afford, or if I could, I had no room. But I saw this, and I figured, why not? And I opened it, and what I saw is what I got. A hairdryer with the original hang tag, because this was made by the McGraw-Edison company, Bursted Manufacturing Division, Boonville, Missouri. Rex-Ray. Yeah, oops. Your basic late 50s-ish hairdryer. Rex-Ray. Now, when I bought this and turned it on, the motor would not turn. I thought for a minute that it locked up, but what happened? There was a huge glob of dirt on the inside. I took this apart about a month or so ago, and it works fine now. But why am I showing it off now? I don't know. So, I'm going to plug it up and show it. Before I forget, the only major issue I have with this is it's a plug-in model. There's only one switch, and that controls the hot and cold setting. But what I did, I plugged it up to my power supply strip, so I can turn it on that way. So, we're ready? Here we go! It's not as loud as your traditional hairdryer. Make sure the heater's not on. Okay. Yep, just on the elements, so I think it'll work out alright. Let's turn it off. Like I said, not bad. A vintage piece for $10. And it even comes with a little stand. I'm not going to dig it out, but the stand's there. So, this is the Rex-Ray hairdryer, 210 watts, 115 volts, model 38100. 50-60 cycle, AC only. McGraw-Edison company, Bursted Manufacturing, Boonville, Missouri.